In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Docs back to normal size. If you've ever found yourself staring at a Google Doc that's larger or smaller than you're comfortable with, this guide is for you. We know how important it is to work in an environment that feels just right, so let's dive right into it and make sure your document is easy on the eyes and perfectly sized for your needs. First, we need to open the Google Doc that you want to adjust. If you're not already in your document, go to your Google Drive and double-click on it to open it in a new tab. Once you've got your document in front of you, let's focus on the layout elements within the toolbar. At the top of your screen, you'll notice the toolbar that runs horizontally across your display. This is where most of the magic happens. Now, find the Zoom option in the toolbar, which is typically represented by a percentage number, often somewhere around 100%. Clicking on this percentage will drop down a menu with several options for you to choose from. Here, you can adjust the zoom level to your liking. Options usually range from 50% to 200%, allowing a range of adjustments whether you need larger text or a more faraway view of your document's entirety. Select the percentage that feels most comfortable for you. If none of the preset options are to your liking, there's also a custom zoom option in many browsers. To access this, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and, while keeping it pressed, use your mouse's scroll wheel to zoom in or out. For those on a Mac, you'll replace Ctrl with the Command key. This gives you fine-tuned control and lets you set the zoom to any level you prefer. Sometimes, even if you're adjusting the zoom, the rest of the document may feel off due to the browser's own settings. If you suspect this might be the case, take a look at your browser's zoom settings. Often, this can be found in the menu under View, where you'll see a zoom percentage similar to Google Docs. Make sure it's also set to 100% for the default viewing experience. Finally, if things still aren't quite right, try refreshing the document. Browser hiccups can sometimes cause the display issues, and a simple refresh can resolve those easily. Click on the circular arrow icon, usually found near the browser's navigation bar, to reload your document. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Google Doc should be back to a size that's normal and comfortable for reading and editing. Remember that having an optimal view not only makes working more pleasant, but can also enhance your productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and happy typing.